Welcome to BSA main class. This is class number 59. 59 classical and modern optics paper, the question paper. Question paper of 2023 March is read here. The question paper, University question paper of 2023 is read here. Classical and modern optics. So the first part is a part question. You look here, 6th semester BSc degree examination 2023. Paper classical and modern optics, max 80, type 3 words, section A. There are 10 questions in section A. Each question carries 1 mark. We have to answer all the questions. Question number 1. When can we say a film is thin? ഒരു thin film എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എപ്പോഴാണ്? Number 2. What is coherence? What is coherence? Question number 3. Why do the secondary maxima and minima be not observed in the diffraction pattern of gratings? Number 4. State the Rayleigh criterion for resolution. Number 5. What is dispersion of light? Number 6. Is it corrected to exchange a polarizer and analyzer as plane? Define planar polarization. Next question. What makes laser an extraordinary useful tool for industrial applications? Number 9. Give the cross-sectional view of optical fiber. Number 10. How does a hologram be useful in three-dimensional photography? 10 to 1, 10 mark. Section B. Section B, answer 8 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Number 11, distinguish between constructive interference and destructive interference. Question number 12, explain with reason about Newton's rings formed under reflection by a white light source. Number 13, what is the Fresnel principle of diffraction? Number 14, why do convex lens is used in Fraunhofer diffraction? Number 15, give an account of the features of the central maximum due to Fraunhofer diffraction at a single slit. Next question, distinguish between ordinary and extraordinary rays. Number 17, explain the structure of nuclear prism. Number 18, state and explain Malay's law. Question number 19, what is meant by phase matching? Number 20, explain the population inversion, how population inversion is achieved in semiconductor lasers. Number 21, distinguish between spatial coherence and temporal coherence. Number 22, list out the advantages of fiber optic communication system. 8 into 2, 14 marks. Next question. Section C, problem part, answer any 6 problems. Each question carries 4 marks. Number 23, when a thin sheet of transparent material is of thickness 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter is introduced in the path of one of the interfering beams, the central fringe shifts to A position occupied by the fringe, if lambda is equal to 532 nanometer, find the refractive index of the sheet. Next, 24. A biprism is used to determine the wavelength of laser interference fringes of 0.4 centimeter width are observed when the source and the screen are separated by 80 centimeter. The prism is made of a material with refractive index 1.50 and has a base angle of 20 degree. It is kept 2 centimeter from the source to determine the wavelength. Next problem. In an experiment using 500 nanometer light, the distance between the silk source and the edge is 5 centimeter, and between the edge and between the edge and the eyepiece also 5 meter. Calculate position of the first three maxima and their positions. Positions repeated. Next question, number 28. Determine the minimum number of lines in the grating to resolve the certain D lines of wavelength 589 and 589.0 and 589.6 nanometer. Next question, how many orders are possible for the spectra with a plane grating, transmission grating, using 15,000 lines per inch when light wavelength 532 nanometer is used. Next question, show the superposition of two plane polarized waves which are out of phase by 90 degree produces elliptically polarized light. Elliptically polarized wave. Next problem. A laser beam produces a spot of 1 millimeter diameter at a distance of 1 meter, while the spot size is 2 millimeter at the 5 meter 5 meter from it. Find the divergence. Number 30. The acceptance angle of an optical fiber is 30 degree. The refractive index for the core is 1.5. Evaluate the refractive index of cladding, critical angle, and numerical aperture. Number 31. A reflection hologram is constructed using 532 nanometer laser on a film of refractive index 1.5 at an angle of 30 degree. Determine the spacing between interference maxima. 6 into 4, 24 marks. Now comes the last part of the question paper, the essay type questions, section D. Answer to questions, each question carries 15 marks. Number 32, explain the working of working and application of Michelson interferometer. Question number 33, write what is a zone plate? Compare it with a convex lens. Explain the action of a zone plate for an incident spherical wavefront. Number 34, when with the supporting diagrams, explain the working of HENE laser. Number 35, discuss about various types of fibers. 2015, 30 marks. That is all with this question paper. Thank you very much.